Today, we're breaking down a pretty bold vision for the future of leadership. Let's get into it. So, what could leadership actually look like in 2030? A dramatic shift is predicted to happen this decade. This prediction zeroes in on three huge, future-defining sectors: AI, space, and of course, climate. First up, artificial intelligence. A massive leadership change is projected right here. Right now, get this, only 6% of AI CEOs are women. Just 6%. But by 2030, that's predicted to leap all the way to 40%, a huge jump. Okay, next up, we're heading to space exploration. Yeah, the final frontier. The vision? It's women pilots leading the charge in the new age of space tourism. All right, back on Earth, the third big area of change is all about the climate crisis. And the idea is that women-led innovation is going to drive the biggest breakthroughs in green tech. So, why the shift? Well, some data suggests women-led ventures can see a 15% higher ROI. So what's the big idea behind all of this? What's the core philosophy? Well, it really boils down to this one powerful and very direct call to action. And here's their formula for success. Put really simply, it's their core equation. So this vision is called the Future One. The question is, what will it take to get there?